This is the Shell Phone Show, showing you how to do something on the BlindShell Classic 2. Thanks to Club Unmute, unmute.show.
Yeah, what's up once again, peoples? It's your man Adrian, aka Driza. Just come out and do another quick demo for the Shell Phone Show. Now, in this particular demonstration, I'm going to be showing y'all a couple of the timers that we have on the BlindShell. Now, most of these timers are located in the Applications folder, inside the Tools folder. I'm going to open up one of them using voice dictation. I'm going to press and hold the right button until it beeps. Minute timer.
Opening minute timer. Timer not active. 0 seconds.
Okay, the first thing you said was timer not active, 0 seconds. So I'm going to press OK on this, the button above the number 1.
Activate. 1 of 2.
Okay, it gives me 2 options. Activate. I'm going to press down bar.
Set time.
It says set time. So I'm going to go inside this. I'm going to press OK on set time.
Hours. 1 of 4.
And it gives you 4 settings where you can type in hour,
minutes, 2 of
minutes,
4. Seconds, 3 of
seconds,
4. Save, 4 of
and
4.
save.
Seconds, 3 of 4.
So this is like I'm going to put 15 seconds. I'm going to press OK on this.
Seconds.
Type in 15 with the keypad.
1, 5.
Press OK.
Seconds, 15, 3 of 4.
Now press down bar.
Save, 4 of 4.
And I want to save this. I'm going to press OK on this.
0 minutes, 15 seconds. Set time, 2 of 2.
Now I'm going to up bar back.
Activate, 1 of 2.
And now I'm about to get ready to activate. Now, the thing you got to know about the minute timer, you have to go in and set the time first or it's not going to activate. So we just got through setting 15 seconds. I'm going to press OK and it'll start.
Active, remaining time, 14 seconds.
And now it's counting down from 15 seconds. And when this timer goes off, it's going to use the same sound that you have for your alarm. So I got mine on the beep sound and it should be going off in a minute.
Time is up.
There it goes right there. I'm going to press OK to stop it.
Timer not active, 15 seconds.
So that's the minute timer. Now I'm going to open up the interval timer. Now this timer, you may have to install and download from the app catalog if it's not located in the tools folder. So I'm going to use voice dictation to open this up. Interval timer.
1/3. Opening interval timer. Start timer, 1 of 4.
Now on this, we got 4 settings once again. You got start timer.
Announcement interval, 30 seconds, 2 of 4.
Announcement intervals, 30 seconds.
Total time, empty, 3 of 4.
Total time.
Announcement type, voice, 4 of 4.
And announcement type. Now, the difference between the minute timer and the interval timer, it'll actually announce verbally when the time is going off. So
total time, empty, 3
I'm
of
going to
4.
go in and set a time for 1 minute. I'm going to press OK on this.
Hours, 1 of 4.
It gives me these same settings, hours,
minutes, 2 of 4.
minutes. I'm going to OK on this.
Minutes.
I'm going to type in 1.
1.
I'm going to press OK.
Minutes, 1, 2 of 4.
I'm going down bar.
Seconds, 3 of save, 4 of 4.
And I'm going to save this. Press OK.
Total time, 1 minute, 0 seconds, 3 of 4.
And now let me go to the second setting right here.
Announcement interval, 30 seconds.
So I got my announcement interval on 30 seconds. So because I got my timer set for 1 minute, at the 30-second mark, it's going to announce verbally. And you can either change this from announcing verbally or a beep or a vibration. And you can actually change that on the 4th setting right here. I'm going to press 4.
Announcement type, voice, 4
Announcement
of 4.
type. I'm going to press OK on this.
Voice selected, 1 of 3.
So it's selected on voice by default. If I hit down bar,
Sound not selected, 2 of 3.
it's on sound. That'll make the beep sound if you don't want it to speak verbally. And the third one is
Vibration only not selected.
vibration.
3 of 3.
So you can choose any of those 3. I'm going to keep mine on verbal, so I'm going to back out of this once.
Announcement type, voice, 4 of 4.
I'm going to go back to the first setting.
Start timer, 1 of 4.
And now I'm about to start timer. So we got this timer set for 1 minute. I'm going to press OK.
Started.
And it's starting. So now I'm going to press my repeat button. That's the button above the back button on the upper right of the phone.
9 seconds. Announce every 30 seconds. Total time.
And it let me know where the time's at. So when it gets to the 30-second mark, it's going to announce verbally that it's at the 30-second mark. So we're going to let it get to that and you'll hear it.
30 seconds.
See, there it go. It just announced the 30-second at the halfway point of the minute. And when it gets to the 1 minute mark, the alarm is just going to go off with a beep sound. Let me hit the repeat button to see where it's at.
43 seconds. Announce every 30 seconds.
It was at the 43-second mark right there. And there you go right there. So that's the interval timer. The next one I'm going to pull up is a stopwatch. Stopwatch.
Opening stopwatch. 0 seconds. Stopped.
Now this one, all you got to do is just press the OK button and it'll start the stopwatch on its own. I'm going to press OK.
Start stopwatch. 1 of 1.
I press OK again.
0 seconds. Running.
And now it's starting the stopwatch. It says running. And you can check and see where the time's at by pressing the repeat button. That's that small button above the back button on the upper right.
23 seconds. Running.
She's at 23 seconds. And if you ever want to stop the stopwatch, you just press the OK button.
31 seconds. Stopped.
And it stops it at 31 seconds. So that's a simple stopwatch right there. Now, the last timer I like to set, I like to do within the Lady A app. You know Lady A. I'm not going to say the names. So I don't want to trigger nothing. I'm going to go into my favorites.
Amazon Alexa. 1 of 11.
There she go right there. I'm going to press OK on that. It's loading up.
Tap or say, Alexa.
I'm not going to say the wake word right here. I'm just going to press OK on this. And within the Lady A app, I like the name timers. I'm just going to press OK.
Tap or say, Alexa. Type with Alexa.
Baked bean timer for 10 seconds.
Baked bean timer. 10 seconds. Starting now.
Amazon Alexa. Tap or say, Alexa.
So when this goes off, it's actually going to say the name of the timer when it goes off, when it's done. That's why I like setting timers using my Lady A on the phone or on my Echo Dots.
Timer.
Your baked bean timer is done. Your baked bean timer is done.
Baked bean. 15 seconds.
Your baked bean timer is done.
Dismiss.
So I just press the down bar button until I heard the dismiss, and I press OK to dismiss it. So I just showed a few different ways I can use timers on the BlindShell. You got the minute timer, the interval timer, the stopwatch, and of course you can set timers using the Lady A app. Y'all check those out when you get a chance. Any questions, just hit me up at Driza17@att.net. That's DRIZA17@att.net. Peace.
Thanks for listening to today's Shell Phone Show. We hope you'll catch us back next time to learn something about the BlindShell Classic 2. Did you know you can get more helpful content like this? Visit unmute.show for podcast contents and to learn about Club Unmute. Thanks to Andre Louis and his shorts collection for the music used in this content.